9 must-try dishes of northern Thailand. Thailand has an eclectic cuisine with exquisite dishes that rank high on taste and flavor. And if that wasn't enough, every region in Thailand has its own unique variety of dishes, each more distinct than the other. Northern Thailand, while rich in ancient culture, also boasts of a wide menu of succulent plates involving a plethora of spices, garnishes, meats, vegetables and curries upon curries which are not just tastefully thrilling but also colorful enough to be photogenic. So let's check out the 9 must dishes from northern Thailand. Before we start with the countdown, please don't forget to subscribe to Travel Extreme and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. Now that being done, here is number 9, Psycha Cuisine. This is yet another type of pork sausage originating in the northeast Thailand but popular all over the country. It is a fermented dish prepared with a combination of pork rinds and rice which is shaped into sausages or meatballs. While it's quite fatty, it has a wonderful burst of tangy flavor that makes it hard to resist. It is a staple food, snack and can even be found on sidewalks in Bangkok. It is combined with chili sauces, raw spiced cabbage and sliced ginger to create a complete meal. Number 8. Kaeng Hang Lee. Originally Burmese, Kaeng Hang Lee is a delicious pork curry, mild in taste but nevertheless very flavorful. It consists of tenderly stewed chunks of pork belly infused with a fresh tomato puree curry, garnished with a variety of spices like ginger, garlic and tamarind. The taste of tomato in dish packs a fruity punch, perfect for people with low capacity for spicy food. It can be combined with a serving of khao now to give the meal a truly traditional feel because that's how the locals do it. It is a favorite at daily markets and Thai festivals up north. Number 7. Concannon. One of the few exclusively vegetarian dishes in northern Thailand, this is a soup curry made with pieces of unripe jackfruit. The dish looks like a farm-fresh bowl of veggie goodness with sizable amounts of green jackfruit, cherry tomatoes, betel leaves, dried chilies and herbs, creating a colorful curry. Although it is not considered an extraordinary dish locally, it is quite similar to tom yum soup, which makes it a must-try for foreign tourists. Meat lovers can also request for pieces of pork in their soup. Number 6. Labrang. Labrang or simply lap is a spicy meat salad most popular in the northeastern regions of Thailand. It originates from Laos, where it is the national dish but is now eaten in many Southeast Asian countries. In Thailand, the salad comes with a choice of meats like chicken, pork, duck, beef. It is dressed with a lot of savory flavors of mint, fish sauces, herbs, palm sugar, dried chilies and lime. It can be enjoyed with anything from rice noodles, sticky rice to raw vegetables. There are so many variations to lab that you can try a new one every day and never get bored. Number 5. Nom Nom. Nom Nom is a delectable specialty of northern Thailand. It brings together rice noodles and a spicy tomato curry in a noodle soup curry with exquisite taste. It is a very wholesome dish and usually a single bowl serving is more than enough for one individual. Although the dish may seem a little intimidating at first, with ingredients consisting of pork skin, chunks of pig blood and minced meatballs. Number 4. Naim. Naim is a form of fermented pork sausage popular in the northern areas. The taste has a unique sour tang from the 2-day fermentation process it goes through. It is consumed in many different forms, most commonly as minced variation. One of the most famous dishes made using this meat is called Nam Klub, a salad prepared with veggie greens and minced neem. It can also be served as a dish mixed with spices, shallot, ginger, pepper and spring onions. Number 3. Miang Kham. Miang Kham is one of those unusual dishes that you can only enjoy while in North Thailand. It consists of leaf-wrapped delights bursting with local flavors and special spices, perfect for introducing yourself to the food culture of the region. In a do-it-yourself setting, a plate full of chaplu leaves, condiments like peanuts, ginger, chilies, lime, shallot onions, coconut, and other piquant seasonings are presented to you to experiment with whichever spicy, sweet, sour, tangy combinations appeal to you. They are also very conveniently sold in pre-wrapped packets in food markets. Number 2. Khao Soi. Khao Soi is the most popular staple dish in northern Thailand. It is a noodle curry dish. Khao Soi is the most popular staple dish in northern Thailand. It is a noodle curry dish with very tame flavors that your taste buds will enjoy. It has a creamy coconut curry base topped with soft as well as crispy egg noodles, pickled cabbage, shallots, lime, and ground chilies. Khao Soi comes in several pork, chicken, beef, and vegetarian variations. However, pork is the most popular choice among locals. One portion usually serves an ample quantity for one person's meal. The dish is so popular that it is found everywhere in the north for as low as 50 baht in street food markets. Number 1. Sai Wei. Sai Wei, popular as the Chiang sausage, are coils of juicy pork sausages that can commonly found sizzling on roadside grills in every market in Chiang Mai. It is essentially spicy and packed with tons of flavors from lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, red chilies, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. One bite will transport you to gastronomic heaven and leave you wanting more. They are eaten as a snack or starter dish, best enjoyed with a serving of khao niao, that is sticky rice, and a chili dip. And if you become addicted to it, you can also take some home at just 300 baht a kilo. So these were the 9 must-try dishes of northern Thailand. If you like this video about Thailand, make sure to check out our other top 10 videos on the Thailand series. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.